it's Kelly Schaffner. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to be unboxing a Wantable box, and I'm so glad that you're doing it with me. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button. I need some subscribers, and I hope that you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up by the time we're finished. I want to wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day. That's why I'm wearing these tacky earrings. It's about the only time of year that I can wear them. So happy Valentine's Day. There might be some Valentine stuff in this box. I do want to tell you about Wantable. They will send you 7 items, and there's a $25 styling fee. If you have 5 days to try everything on in the comfort of your own home and to send it back, and you keep whatever you want to keep, but you have to send the rest back. And I'm running short on time, so I've got to get this box opened up, so stick around. Let's see what's in it. So as with all of these boxes, we have paperwork. It tells you how everything's done. It's really cute saying by Coco Chanel and more information on the back of that. And we have our bundle. This is a big one. This box was, ooh, it's stuck to the bottom. This box was even kind of mangled. Look at this burrito. It looks very black and white. I see something teal in color, some stripes. Let's open it up and see what we have. Return envelope, which I'm going to need very, very soon, and prices. I'm not going to look at those yet. You know how I do it. Okay, this looks like a cardigan. A real simple little blue cardigan. This is by Wantable. I like the Wantable brand, and I really like this color. This is very thin. It looks to be about hip length with pockets, so we will show you that. I have a white button-up. I need a white button-up shirt. This is a Hagel brand, size small, and just a white. It feels like cotton. It's got a little bit of stretch in it with a nice cuff there, and it looks wrinkly. It's got some darts in it, so hopefully it's fitted. I was looking for a fitted white shirt, and I did request that. This is a Lucky brand. It looks like a sweater or a top of some sort. Ooh, I'm telling you, they know me. It's a cold shoulder Lucky brand with a funky sleeve. It's got a keyhole back, and it looks to be a high-low. And it looks to be a little short in the front for me. This is a size small, so we'll see how that one fits. This is a Z Supply. You know I like Z Supply. This is a white t-shirt with a pocket, and it's got a rounded hem. That looks, it feels really nice. This is not cotton. This is a polyester blend. So I look forward to that. Here's a striped shirt. I have not received any striped shirts. This is Spades and Hearts, black and white striped, long sleeved. Oh, it's got the detail, that crisscross in the front. I see lots of girls are getting these from the different subscription boxes. So this looks to be maybe tunic length. We'll try that on and see how it works. And 2 pairs of jeans this time. Let's see if they sent the Kenzie jeans. These are a skinny crop Kenzie jean in a pretty nice wash. They don't look too terribly skinny. Wow, it almost looks like a patch, a discolor there where like a patch had come off, and then that's a hole. And there is no distressing on the back, just a simple pocket, which I kind of like. So they look like a nice option. And last, oh, okay, they sent me these last time, the Catherine boyfriend jeans, and I really liked them a lot, but they were just too large. So I will try these on again. If you didn't see my last Wantable video, please check it out. And you can compare and see which of these Catherine boyfriend jeans fit better. Let's try everything on. So I'm wearing the Kenzie Destructed jeans and the Lucky brand blouse, and I'm going to step back so you can get a better look at the jeans. they have real holes in them, and I don't know how I feel about that. I'm not real comfortable in it. I feel like I'm bulging out of them, but they feel good. And I'm not sure about this change of color here, so I'm just not wowed by them, okay? That's how I feel about that. This looks like a Lucky brand. I like it. It's the cold shoulder that I like a lot. It does have a kind of a wrap detail there, and it's a high-low. It's a little bit higher in the front. I don't know how good that looks on me. The sleeves are not lined, and you can see that with the sleeves. I love these sleeves. This is a Spade and Heart shirt. It's the black and white horizontal stripes, which when I look at it on camera, it doesn't look like the stripes that make me look gigantic. It's got this cool neckline with the V-neck, or it's kind of a rounded V-neck, and then these strings here. It's pretty plain other than that. This is a size small. It's pretty big and flowy, and I usually stay away from the big flowy stuff for fear that it looks a little maternity, and I don't want to look any larger. So I don't know. These jeans are the Catherine boyfriend jeans cut from the cloth, and I love this brand, and I like this fit a lot better. They're still very loose, which they're supposed to be. I did not put a belt on, but I've got them rolled up on one side and long on the other, and they're plenty long, so I think these jeans will be mine. This is the cardigan by WANTABLE, and I'm impressed with the color. I haven't seen this color, and I don't own a cardigan in this color, so it is a different shade of blue. I think it's a very simple cardigan, but I think I would get a lot of use out of it. It's plenty long in the sleeves, and it does close. I think it looks a lot like the purple one they sent me last time, but I think they sized up this time. I asked for larger outerwear, so kind of impressed with this. I'll take this off and show you this white button-up blouse. This is by Hazel, and you can see right away it's gapping, so this is too small. And this is a size small, and I wear a small medium, so this feels really nice. It's got some give in it and some stretch, and I think I will request this in a size medium and see if it's as fitted, because I sure like the fit everywhere except the gappage going on right here. So I think this is a fabulous blouse. This is the Z Supply white tee, and this is a polyester blend. I don't know if there's any cotton in it at all. It's a little bit long, as you can see. I'm wearing it with the boyfriend pants. And it's a little bit thin. I don't know if you can see it, but when I was putting it on in my bathroom, I could see that it was see-through. I know white's not the greatest color for the camera, but this feels really nice, and I think it would be a great piece for layering. Well, let's talk prices. You see what I'm wearing. I've got the t-shirt on, I've got the cardigan on, and I'm still wearing the boyfriend jeans. And the boyfriend jeans, the Catherine boyfriend jeans, are cut from the cloth, and they're $89. $89, very standard price for cut from the cloth. The t-shirt, the sleek pocket tee in white by Z Supply, is $38. So I'll have to think about that one. And the boyfriend cardigan in teal by WANTABLE is $58. So those are pretty good prices. The other things I have to consider are the other jeans. The first ones I tried on by Kenzie, they're a rolled cuff, destructed, patch knee, Morningside. They're $68. And the Lucky brand cold shoulder top in gray, that paisley top, is $59. I have to think about that one too. The striped strap top in black by Spade and Heart is $58. $58. And that button-up, the classic white button-up by Hazel, is $58, and that just didn't work, so that's not an option. So in all of this information, it tells you, you go to the website, you give some feedback, and that helps them to style your next box. And I'm going to leave all the information about Wantable in the description below, so if you want to check it out and try a box for yourself, please check it out, okay? And thank you so much for watching. Again, I want to wish you a very happy Valentine's Day, filled with love. Happy styling to you, and thank you so much for joining me. God bless you.